Make a great choice today with the 2005 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.